In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Dragon Blox Ultimate. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find and join Dragon Blox Ultimate. All that you have to do is open Roblox on any platform. As you can see here, I am recording this video on my PC, but you can do it on mobile or also consoles. So all that you have to do after you open Roblox is to use the search function and look for the experience. So Dragon Blox. Usually it is going to be the first one to pop up, but if you are looking for Dragon Blox Ultimate specifically, there will be a different experience. So as you can see, if you want Dragon Blox Ultimate, this is the one that you are looking for. You can check that it is the correct one by the fact that it has more than 200 million visits, and you can see the controls before joining. So you can click to punch or do combat, E for energy blasts, C to charge, Shift for aura boost, TFRG for train defense, lock on, block, transform respectively, and then space and control to move. So you can go ahead and join, and regardless of your platform, you will be able to play. Keep in mind that some functions might be limited depending on the platform. I assume most experiences on Roblox are going to be developed and focused on PC, but you can still go ahead and join on any platform. I recommend that you let this asset loading finish. You can skip it, but you might encounter some problems. So as you can see, just go over to new game if you are new, and you will be asked to confirm. If you already have a save file, make sure that you go ahead and you choose play instead, and now you will be able to customize your character however you prefer. Now, I'm not going to spend too much time here, I just want to show some gameplay, so I'm going to skip ahead and start. But you can take your time and customize your own character. So once the assets are loaded again, you will finally be able to get inside. So just go ahead, click play game, and you will be guided through the process of learning and evolving in Dragon Blox Ultimate. So as you can see, you load in and you will be able to get trained. You can see your stats, see your current quest, skills, go over to the menu and so on. And as long as you follow the storyline here by talking through with the NPCs and taking on these challenges, you will be able to learn and complete new quests. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Dragon Blox Ultimate. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.